So how to use your cruise control on an Audi A1. This is the Audi A1 2017-2018 one. So first of all here, as you can see the stick itself here, if you just touch it, if you just push it forward, that is now off. So first of all, you've got to pull it towards you and it's on. Then the speed limit, normally minimum at 20 miles per hour. Once you set the speed limit that you want, just touch the button and it will work. And that's the main thing that you want to do while you're driving, not when you're stationary. Best time to use it is when the road's nice and clear. So again, reminding you that the speed limit has to be minimum of 20 miles per hour or more. And then all you need to do is just press the set button and it will set to where you want it. Then if you want to increase the speed, then all you've got to do is from underneath, push it up for higher speed, low for lower speed. And that's how you do it. And if you want to cancel it, just push it forward again like that, forward. That way there, pull it towards you and it's on, and that's set. And then press the button in and it will set, but it only works at 20 miles per hour. Then in the dashboard you will see here on the right side that you'll see a light come on, a green light, and that will tell you that your cruise control is working. And that's how you use your cruise control button on the Audi A1.